All parties in the matter of Harrington versus Johnson, step forward.
Lynn Harrington is suing her former co-worker, September Johnson, for the unpaid balance on a Cadillac she sold her.
Miss Johnson, you and Miss Harrington worked together. Where did you work together?
Len's and Byerly's.
And Miss Harrington was selling a car. You wanted to buy the car. The two of you agreed on a price of $1,500.
So at the shelter, they charged us every night, so my check was actually getting taken, and they were
Why don't you just give her back the car? Why didn't you just give her?
So at the shelter, they charged